So physically go in, down, and then just catch her little tongue. That's it. Sit her a little bit more upright. That's it. Just let me let her have a little cough. So a little bit less. All right. Oh, she's so clever. Okay, so she just needs to take a little bit more down. So that's it, a little bit more upright. That's it. Look, so that's it. Gently, gently. When you tip, don't tip that far.
Okay,
just
let the tongue do the work.
Yeah, let the tongue do the work. All right. Right, wait, and just that's it. That's it. Little tiny bits like that.
Yeah.
All right, and then you can see that she's taking it down. Right, go on then. That's it. So you can hear her swallowing. All right. It's a mucky business until you get ready. That's it. Even tinier amounts if you can. Just let the tongue come into the cup. It's really hard to see actually with these cups.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. And then if she coughs or anything, coughs or splutters, just stop feeding for a minute. That's in that hand.
Those cheeks.
Yeah.
Chubby cheeks.
Alright, I'm just going to take my hand away so you've got the full weight there. That's it. It's just really hard when you've got new ones. Balancing them just, oh my gosh, finding out, what's happening.
Try a bit more.
Whoa, she says yes, please.
Look like you're strangling her.